here we have the MG100hdfx head that came in here dead as a dodo. Somebody had a look at it, shall we say, before and had a go at fixing it, but had no joy. This is quite a well used amp, and quite a lot of battle damage, you could say, really. After I fixed it, which included, that was a long-winded story, but I had to replace the power output section. Also the FX board wasn't doing anything. There was no reverb, no preset adjust, no chorus, no delay, no flange, and no nothing. That was all dead as a dodo. Half of the channel switching things would work when they wanted to. It didn't work very often. And the volume was up and down all over the show. Thing is with these Marshalls, even the valve ones, this is solid state. They have a big discrepancy in volume levels between the different channels, as you'll see in a little while. But basically the thing is, I have fixed it after a lot of effort and time. Believe me, there were many times I wanted to knock this one on the head, but I persevered and I've done it. It's now up and running. I've been playing for about an hour since I finally fixed it, just to make sure all was well. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to play just a few bits, and you can see how it sounds and how the effects are. The effects are quite good, really. You know, better than a lot of the other ones I've come across. Let's turn the effects level down. Got FX level. I've just been messing about with the reverb here. I'll turn the reverb off. You hear the chorus cutting in there. Delay and chorus together. FX loop mix, you've got a send and return on the back, which works now. It didn't when I first put it together, but I've sorted that. And I tried a reverb pedal through the back there, and it all works fine now. This is just the basic clean channel, which invariably on Marshall is always the best one, because a lot of the overdrive channels sound rubbish as far as I'm concerned. I've never come across an inbuilt overdrive channel on a modern amp that actually sounds good. They all sound crass. So in my opinion, you're best off just using the clean channel on one of these amps and buy yourself some sort of fuzz or distortion, whatever you want, delay pedals, reverb, and use them either in front into the amp or in the effects loop at the back. So I've got my old faithful Stratocaster here, so you can hear, hopefully you can hear how sort of crisp and sort of alive that sounds. For a solid state amp, that's really good. So that's the clean channel. Then Remember I mentioned about big discrepancy in volume levels. I'll turn the master down to 0, engage what's supposed to be a crunch channel, but we'll see how it goes. As you can see, that is really loud. That is horrible, I hate that sound. Sounds more like an overdrive. Then you've got like an overdrive 1 and overdrive 2. There's a channel select here, which takes you off the clean channel. And that red light LED is a bit. That's not too bad, I suppose. Not my cup of tea, but there you go. And then you've got an overdrive 2. Even more gain. Oof. Not for me. Switch it off. Take it back to the clean channel. Yeah, so you can hear that is all working now. I think not going to get any better. Not bad at all, really. For an amp that's had quite a hard life by the sound of it, or the feel of it, and the look of the equipment inside. I had to clean all the potentiometers. There's loads of them up there. You can see at the front here, loads. I haven't counted them. That's got about 15, I should imagine. They're all dirty and working intermittently. As I said before, the FX wasn't working at all. I sorted that, and the effects loop at the back wasn't working properly neither. The power transistor and the associated little circuit board, that's a nightmare. That's a long story. I'm not going to go into that, but I fixed it. That's the main thing. It did take me many hours, but there you go. That's the way it is. I should be contacting the chap very shortly who owns this, and he can come and collect it. And on with the next one. I just been looking through my old stuff. I mean, I've got tons of stuff lying around here, old pedals I made years ago and things. Effected a couple of repairs yesterday on them, but that's another story, so for another day. That's it. It's nice and light, not too heavy to carry around. It is plenty loud, you know. It does the job, you know. They are what they are, you know. That's it. Anyway, that's it. Bye bye.